I'm going to talk a little bit today about advanced planting technologies. We have some technology that's available to us that was not available to our forefathers, and those advanced planting technologies allow us to plant at faster speeds, among other benefits. The advantage of planting at faster speeds is during the springtime, we're all in a big rush to get as many acres covered as possible. Especially if you live in the Mississippi area where I'm from, our optimal planting window is 3 weeks long. And during those 3 weeks, you're likely to get a rain. So you might only get 1 week of actual planting weather where you can get out there and get your crop in the ground. Outside of that window, research has been done that we are going to expect a yield loss of 0.4 bushels per acre per day. That's going to be about $6 an acre per day that you're going to lose if you're outside that window. Now, another reason you might want to use precision planting technologies is that if you can plant at a faster speed, your operation may not need as many tractors, you may not need as many tractor operators, you might not need as many planters. So there's several reasons why you might want to consider going into an advanced planting system. Now, with any new technology, you're gonna have challenges, and I'm not here to sell you a technology, I'm here to give you the pros and the cons. So some of the issues that we've had with this technology involve getting communication between the tractor and the planter sometimes is a challenge. What that means is that you're probably not going to be able to fix the problem yourself with a pair of wrenches out in the field. You're probably going to have to get on the phone and call a technician in order to help you troubleshoot that issue. Another issue, of course, is cost. So to retrofit a 12-row planter is going to cost you about $55,000, including the monitor and all the equipment that you need. That's bells and whistles. That's with downforce and everything. So there is a cost to implementing the technology as well. The other challenge you're likely to face is field selection. I wouldn't recommend planting at 12 miles an hour if your field is pretty short. If you've got water furrows in your field, you're going to have to slow down for those water furrows. So these technologies, planting at speed, is going to be more appropriate for fields that are long and flat. Now, in our research, we've been able to plant soybeans at up to 9.5 miles an hour last year. This year, we're testing the technology at up to 12 miles an hour. So far, at 9.5 miles an hour, we have not seen a yield decrease compared to planting at 6 miles an hour. Those are on-farm and on research trials. The advantage in beans for using advanced planting technologies isn't necessarily that you're going to have increased precision in your plant spacing or your populations. It's more of an advantage that you are able to get speed during that planting window. In a corn system, it's likely to be the opposite. You're probably going to get a yield increase from having improved precision, and the speed is less of a benefit in a corn system. Regardless, you are probably using a corn-soybean rotation, and in that case, an advanced planting technology system is likely to find a fit somewhere in your rotation.